Hello, and welcome to this course on sales webinars. In this course, we'll show you how to boost your sales with the power of webinars. This course is divided into 3 modules. Module 1 will give you a brief overview of webinars. Module 2 will cover the difference between automated and live webinars. And Module 3 goes over useful sales webinar tactics, tips, and best practices. By the time this course is over, you'll know how to leverage webinars to bring more customers into your business. So, without further ado, let's dive into the first module. Okay guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our trainer will give you a brief overview of sales webinars. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
A webinar is an online event hosted by an organization or company to virtual audiences. Basically, it's a seminar over the internet. Through webinars, speakers can share presentations, videos, sales pitches, and other content to a global audience. Webinars also allow engagement, where audiences can interact by asking questions and sharing comments in real time through a messaging tool or email. Webinars are mainly used for marketing purposes, as it's used as an authority/relationship building strategy. If you want to learn more about sales webinars and use them to build your brand, this is the course for you. In Module 1, we will discuss how webinars work and why they are useful. Module 2, we will learn the difference between automated and live sales webinars and their pros and cons. Finally, in Module 3, you'll learn the best tips and practices on conducting a successful sales webinar. Before we discuss the benefits of hosting webinars, let's first take a look at how webinars are made. To host a webinar, you'll need to consider several factors. Webinar structure. Webinars are typically 45 to 60 minutes long and usually consist of 3 basic elements: topic, Q&A, and a sales pitch. To start things off, you need to come up with a topic for your webinar. This should be a compelling topic that interests your audience. You can do this by having a list of common questions and interests that you gathered from current customers, clients, and followers. Your topic should relate to your business, as webinars are one of your marketing tools to generate more leads and create more customers. Next, you need to know what type of content your webinar should contain. Finally, you should create a marketing plan focused on the promotional side. This plan includes creating a landing page, website banners, ads, and social media posts. Technical requirements. The technical aspect of hosting is the backbone of successful webinars. For the quality of your content will depend on how well your setup is. Here are the requirements you need to consider. Webinar platform. One of the first choices you need to make when hosting a webinar is the webinar platform you'll be using. There are a handful of platforms available for your business, ranging from free to premium, depending on your budget. However, if you want to create the best experience for your audience, a paid version would be necessary to ensure that you'll get all the premium features. Paid platforms contain special features such as live chat, polls, share screen, and more. Premium features also include scheduled replays, where you can air previous webinars on later dates. The most popular platforms today include Webinar Jam, Webinar Ninja, and Demio. Camera. Cameras are also an essential part of your setup, as you want your audience to be able to see you. This allows you to create a more personal approach, making the event a more authentic experience. The most basic camera you can use is your laptop's built-in webcam. However, if you want to have a higher resolution, you can invest in a more professional webcam, or even better, a pro video camera. This gives you more control of your angles in your frame. Having a professional camera can also be manipulated by software that allows you to adjust details such as brightness, contrast, and more. Microphone. Like the cameras, you can settle for the built-in mic on your laptop. But if you want to have clear, rich audio, you can choose a variety of microphones such as a USB, condenser, and dynamic mics. Investing in a high-quality microphone adds more warmth and power to the overall webinar experience. Internet connection. Successful webinar hosting also stems from having a great internet connection. It's recommended that webinar hosts have a minimum download speed of 25 Mbps and an upload speed of at least 5 Mbps. This is necessary, especially when you're demonstrating something that demands a great amount of online data. How your audience joins your webinars depends on the platform you've chosen. Some require attendees to download their app, enter their registration details, and then access the webinar. On the other hand, some platforms allow you to send out emails to attendees containing a special link to the webinar. Other platforms also allow dial-ins, where audiences can attend by dialing a specific phone number. Once the webinar is over, you want to follow up with audiences that registered but didn't attend. You can send them a replay link to their emails, the limited viewing period. You can also send special offers, reminding them to purchase before the offer expires. Why do more and more businesses host sales webinars? Here are 4 reasons why. Enriches an organization's online content. One of the main reasons why businesses use webinars is that it helps increase the amount of content available to everyone. Every webinar you host gives your business a chance to address common questions and interact with prospects, clients, suppliers, and even employees. This gives you a rich collection of information that you can use to attract more people to purchase your product or service. Establishes brand authority. When done correctly, your webinar can help you establish a solid authority among competitors. When you provide insightful and valuable information, you leave your audience wanting more. They'll surely leave positive reviews and would most likely join more events in the future. Additionally, when the audience's primary concerns and questions are regularly addressed, they will look at your business as trustworthy and authoritative. This means that your brand will be the first thing that will pop out to mind whenever they're searching for more informative content. Reaches a wider audience. Webinars are globally accessible thanks to the internet. Businesses can reach out to any part of the world effortlessly, creating a wider demographic. Having a larger audience will surely generate more leads and open new opportunities. Produces high-quality leads. Unlike other lead generation strategies, webinars ensure that you'll get high-quality leads. Since all of the attendees made the effort to register and join the event, they can be considered qualified leads. Webinars also help you gain important information on attendees, such as contact information. Moreover, Q&A sessions and polls are also helpful to build up leads and sales contacts.
Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our trainer will cover the difference between automated and live webinars. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
When it comes to webinars, choosing the right format can help you attract the most leads and get the highest return of investment. Webinars only have 2 types, automated and live. In this module, we'll discuss the difference between these 2 types and the pros and cons of each one. This will help you choose the right one for your next event. Automated sales webinars, from the word itself, are webinars that are automated. They are pre-recorded in advance and aired at specific times through the webinar platform. The biggest convenience of automated webinars is that you don't have to be there for your audience when it airs. Pros: refined content, high quality production, reaches a bigger audience, flexible. Cons: less personal, non-interactive, will require future updates, danger of complacency. Live webinars are executed in real time. A speaker is present for the audience as they are responsible to deliver the company's presentation and hope to have a successful sales pitch. They are also responsible for answering people's questions and concerns. Pros: more authentic, versatile, provides real-time offers, follow-up opportunities, likely to convert better. Cons: prone to errors, technical issues, opportunity costs, time constraints.
Alright, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our trainer will go over some useful webinar tactics, tips and best practices. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
If you want to host a successful webinar, you have to be sure that you're doing it correctly. Here are the best tips for hosting a well-planned webinar. Choose the right topic. To choose the right topic, you first need to think of the purpose. Is it to educate people, generate new leads, sell products, or gain more following? Next, you'll need to find inspiration. Look at your current content, then compare it with the current concerns of your clients. This will help you analyze what your audience is the most interested in. Interact through promotion. Of course, for a webinar to be successful, you want to reach the most people possible. That's why it's only fair that you should have enough to promote and create engagement for potential attendees. You can promote by tweeting about the event, writing promotional blog posts, and create engagement across your social media channels. Another effective way of creating engagement is by offering something unique. This can be a giveaway or a special feature that lets you stand out among other competitors. Dedicate a special hashtag. Twitter is a powerful tool to promote webinars. Create a hashtag unique to your virtual event. Using a particular code ensures that all tweets using that hashtag are about your webinar. This is very helpful, especially when gathering questions for the Q&A portion. Use different media types in your presentation. As mentioned, webinars are usually 45 to 60 minutes long. When your presentation lacks energy from the beginning, don't expect people to last more than 10 minutes. To keep your audiences engaged, you need to have a variety of media types for your webinar. This can be a combination of graphics, whiteboards, share screens, video animations, and more. Choose the right format. There are a lot of options when building your webinar structure. The four most common types are panel discussions, single speaker presentations, and interviews. Choose the right format that suits best on your current topic and business plan. Pick a webinar tool. Choosing the right platform to host your webinars is vital for your webinar to be executed well. The most popular platforms right now are Demio, Livestorm, EverWebinar, and Webinar Jam. When researching what platform to use, you need to answer these questions. How many people are attending? How much is the budget? Is the interface user-friendly? Moreover, you want to make sure that the platform you'll be using contains the right features you need to execute your webinar successfully. For example, you want to have software that allows both live and automated webinars. Choose the right day and time. To select an optimum time and date for your webinar, you need to consider the location of your target audience. If your target is worldwide, then you need to find the optimum time and day of the week in any time zone. According to the ON24, Wednesdays and Thursdays are the optimal days to host webinars, with 10 or 11 a.m. being the best time. Having webinars in these times provide flexibility to people in different parts of the world, as people are more likely to attend whatever time of the day it is in their location. However, if your audience is solely based in the US, then time zones should not be a concern. Instead, you can focus on times where people aren't busy. For example, early afternoon or after work hours are the perfect times for webinars. Set up an optimized landing page. The first step in any promotional strategy is by building an optimized landing page for your webinar. They are designed to create engagement and attract users to register immediately. An optimized landing page should contain a target keyword, a sign-up form, an optimized copy, and CTA buttons. Additionally, landing pages should be integrated with your other marketing tools, as your goal is to turn registrants into potential prospects. When executed well, webinars are powerful tools to connect with your audience, establish your brand's authority, and generate more leads. What are you waiting for? Use webinars now to elevate your business to the next level.